Welcome to the C-Suite at the Open Video Series with TMX Group. My name is Arnie Goldstein, Head of Company Services based out of Vancouver. Joining me today is the founder and CEO of Wishpond, Ali Tajskandar. Ali, it's really great to have you here today, and welcome to our exchange, one of our newest listings on the Venture Exchange, trading under the ticker WISH, which is a great ticker, by the way. How are you today?
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Fantastic. What are the three things you really want to highlight about your companies right now to new potential investors talking about your listing and your business?
Yeah, for sure. So I think one thing to keep in mind about Wishpond is that it's really an all-in-one marketing platform that brings all the key components a business, especially small business, needs to succeed online in one single platform, makes it affordable and makes it successful for them. So with those characteristics, the key things to keep in mind about Wishpond is that we've been growing fast, more than 30-35% year over year, profitable company. We have a proven track record of serving more than 2,000 businesses from around the world, majority of them small businesses, and a business that is scalable. Again, millions of businesses that need our services. We're very fortunate to be able to help them with a scalable, profitable way of reaching them through our sales.
Wow, that's interesting and quite a market as well.
For sure.
How would you sum up Wishpond's investment proposition for your existing or potential new investors?
Well, I mean, what we've seen in terms of trends in the market is that over the past several years, a couple of decades actually, consumers are spending their time online and away from traditional media. Businesses have been trying to follow suit as well. In the case of small businesses, it has been a great challenge because digital is complex and generally small businesses lack sufficient financial resources or marketing know-how to do it effectively. So with Wishpond, what we then come in and help them with is really there are three components to it. We bring the key components they need in one place so that they don't have to go and piece together a whole bunch of solutions. We give them the marketing services and expertise help they need as well, because that's a key missing component for them as well. And we make it affordable. So if they would have had to go and pay an agency $10,000, $5,000, they come to Wishpond, they get all the technology and the services for $500 a month. Or if it's just technology, even lower than that.
I'm sure it brings them to market a lot faster as well.
Absolutely.
Looking in the near-term future here, what are some of the catalysts that investors should be looking for coming from Wishpond?
I think there are three catalysts that you can keep an eye on. One of them that is very important is acquisitions, and that was a big reason for us to actually want to be a publicly listed company. And that's part of our long-term strategy to grow through not only organically through our sales, but also through acquisitions, bringing market technology companies or marketing services companies under the same umbrella. And so that's one of the major catalysts. We've already announced 2 acquisitions. One of them closed, one of them in the works, and the LOI is announced. The second catalyst to keep an eye on is product development. Currently, as we've announced as part of our filing statement, there are 2 major product initiatives. Payment platform and another one, marketing funnels. And we've been working hard at them, and very soon we should be able to announce the payment platform as well. And the third one is really now with greater access to capital, we're expanding our sales team and doing all the things that we're supposed to do, which means that our financial performance is also improving. So keeping an eye out for our quarterly or annual financial earnings would be another catalyst to watch for.
For sure. Now, I know you've kind of alluded to this a little bit already, but can you tell me what being listed on the Venture Exchange means to both your company and your stakeholders?
Well, this whole experience of getting listed as well as post-listing has been a fantastic one, to be honest with you. We really appreciate all the help, guidance, and support we've got from the TSX Venture Exchange throughout. And already, we listed early December. Already, we've announced 2 acquisitions. We, announced a bought deal for $7 million plus over allotment, so about $8 million. And none of those would have been possible or would have been as easy as a private company. And they have become possible because of being publicly listed. So TSX Venture Exchange is a great platform for early stage technology companies, I would say.
Fantastic. Access to capital, liquidity for investors, and using your share register as a checkbook. Take your pick.
Yeah.
Ali, thanks for joining me today. Make sure to check out Wishpond on the TSX Venture Exchange, trading under the symbol WISH, Wish. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, Arnie.